What's going on, everybody? This is another video. I'm going to be showing you my supports, resistances, targets, how I get those targets, all in all my trading strategy. I want to educate people out there, and I'm going to give you some options that the option scalps and plays, how I be playing them. So just stick along with this video. I'm sure you'll learn a lot, and then you just subscribe at the end if you learn something, right? Comment what you learned, and we'll start on. So we'll go with Tesla. Tesla, after that Elon got his package on Thursday, June 13th. Obviously, Riz about 15%, retraced back to our target right here. And then you see off this target, uses as support. And where did it go in our last video? Where did it end up? Exactly at our support of 187. Let's go to the 5-minute chart on Tesla and see what happened, right? So pretty much today started at our support, right? Started at this target, and then rose up. And where did it find support again? At that resistance target, at this target. See how it stalled out? But you see how it was breaking it? It broke. And it broke again right up to where? Perfect hit on our resistance that we had there. And then it stalled out there for the rest of the day. And it pretty much at close, it ended right at that resistance. So what I'm seeing now on Tesla really is this resistance is still acting as a resistance. But I'm going to put so I'll be like another price target, but I'm gonna move this up on Tesla to right here to 191. So that's my new level on Tesla for the resistance is 191. I'm actually gonna keep this price target right here and this support down here again, though I'm gonna remove this price target right here. And so that's just one of the plays. I'm gonna give you another one. Meta hit my target on the upside perfectly, and it looks like it just passed my target on the downside also. So let's go to the 1-minute chart this time and see how Meta played today, right? So it started at that 502.50 range and came down and found support around here, around my target in the morning, and then didn't want to break that target, and then came up, rizzed up throughout the day, broke that intraday high, that high to that low, broke that intraday high around here, and then rocketed up right up to my target here, that upwards target, which is really right here, right? So that's it on Meta. I still have resistance at 524 and support at 489. That's what I'm looking at Meta. So maybe also there could be a little price target up here, but that's really where I got this target from. You see here before earnings, that high right before it dumped, that's where I got that target from, and that's where it hit exactly today, right? And see how I got this target right here is really that high and this low that was acting over in this area. So that's how I'm getting those targets there. So pretty basic, right? So now we'll go on to IMW. IMW looking kind of bearish lately, but it hit my level pretty much perfect today. If we zoom out to the daily chart, there we go, IWM I mean. It pretty much like hit that upwards target and broke this target also while holding support at the support. So we'll go to the 5-minute chart. We see that price pretty much opened at that support. Support broke, but then it came back up and we used it pretty much, and then it broke upwards again. Right to that. Where did it find support? At that price target, exactly at that price target, which is really around here, this resistance from Friday. So we have, and then it went right up to the next target right there, which was really support and resistance on Tuesday and Thursday. So those are those targets right there, how they work. I'm going to keep those targets again, see how IWM after hours. And so if IWM wants to go up tomorrow, then that's a nice price target to trade to, right? If it wants to go down, that this one right here, boom, nice price target. These are supports and resistance, 203 resistance, 198 support. I'll go to AMD. We did play AMD this morning. I got a nice 10% gain. If you go to Alexander Investment Insights on Instagram, you'll see that play on my story. But right here we have support at 154, resistance at 169, and I do have an upwards price target right here at 163 area, and I have another support here at 180 158.37. This did break. So I am gonna remove this support also and just keep that there. That's really about it for IWM. It was a nice play this morning. We go down to the 5-minute chart, see how it hit that support this morning. Bought it around at this break right here, and then got that push, and then sold on the push down here, and then it came down to find some more. So that was the play on AMD, and we'll go to coin as well. Coinbase hitting those price targets nice as well. So you hit that bottom price target. I have resistance at 270 and support at 221. So we go to the 5-minute chart. It opened up around 240 and then hit that support. Did not want to break that target. Didn't really hit it clearly, but it came close to it, right? And then went up. So that really is what happened, because this price target really should be right here. That wasn't close enough. This was the price target I was looking for. Now if we go in on coin, it really did hit that price target. So I still have my support here at 221, and I have resistance at 270. So just watch out. These might be trading between these two price targets for a couple days. We don't really know. Then I'll give you my levels on S&P 500. Very critical. You see we had a booming day today, right? S&P 500 breaking up, pretty much just going up since that breakup. Going up, stalling out, but then boom, up again. So, and then during power hour slowed down. Not too much to affect it, but we go to that daily chart. I have just support because it's at all-time high, because you can't really do any resistances. So I have support at 544 for tomorrow if you start breaking down, and then I have another support at 536 just in case of a long term. So watch those levels. I'll just give you shortly what I'm seeing on Apple and these big options too, because I did update some of them. I have 211 support on Apple. Microsoft, I have 436.50 support, and then I have a 443.50 price target if it starts breaking down tomorrow, because that's at all-time highs. Alphabet, Google, I have resistance at 178.80, support at 174.50, and I have two price targets, one right here at 177.88 and another right here at 176.18. Meta, I have support at 489 and resistance at 524. I have two price targets, one here at 510.48 and another right here at 498.25. So, and then Nvidia, once again, all-time highs. Pretty much, it had a down day today, a small down day, but we need more down days than that if we want to get in for a continuation play back up to the upside, right? Like right here, boom, kind of like dipped down more than went up. Right here, boom, boom, continuation play. Nvidia has been having, boom, tons of continuation plays, which you'd be able to get swing calls in these areas, right? Boom, continuation to the upside. Bunch of those on Nvidia, so we want more breakdown. That's if I want to get in for shares. So I have 125 support, and then I have a price target at 128.28. We already went over Tesla, and then we'll go to Amazon shortly. I have support at 180 and resistance at 185. I have a price target on the here that actually hit on the upside at 184.90, and then a downside at 192.62. And then let me quickly go over some sectors, because why not? This video isn't 10 minutes yet. So we'll go over the gold sector, and that'll be over for Barak Gold. I look at this one to look at the overall gold sector, like the gold trust, things like that. So let's go to Barak Gold. At our support here at $16, finding support. We might see some more downside down here to 15.50, but watch this support right here. I do have resistance to this upside at 18.15. If you're going to trade gold, just wait for confirmation off this level, whether it's going to break it or it's going to go up. And if it's going to go up, definitely watch for confirmation, right? So that's what I'm seeing on gold right there. $16 support, 13 resistance, and I will put actually that's it on gold, but we will, and if this is really if you're looking to play options on gold, then you really want to go into GLD, the Standard & Poor Gold Trust ETF, which will give you a better place for options. So I'll put a support on this stock right here on this gold ETF, one at 212.16. So 212.16 is our support on the GLD, and then I have resistance right here at 217. So 217 resistance on GLD. And that's about it for the gold sector. Let me quickly go over the financial sector. Bank of America stalled between our support and resistance for about a month now, right? $38.60 support and $40 resistance. JP Morgan having some pullback actually, which might be good because JP Morgan really doesn't have tons and tons of pullback. Yes, it does have these big crashes, but for the most part it's going up. You go to Bank of America, tons of huge major crashes, but JP Morgan is usually able to tether through those crashes. It's the biggest bank in the world. They bank lots of countries. So that's what I'm seeing on JP Morgan right now, breaking that support, coming down to that next support. So I'll use this right here, 191, as our new support. And I'll have a resistance still at 199. So 199 resistance. That's going to be the end of the video there. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you get those price levels. And for the S&P 500, for IWM, you know, Apple, Microsoft, Tesla, Amazon, even Disney. I have support here at 99. I have a target right here at 102.85. So watch for that target on Disney. That's going to be it. Have a great rest of your day, and thank you for watching. Thanks. Bye.